Hi, I'm Josh Gitalis. When it comes to mental health, we often focus on a specific neurotransmitter and treat that. But we have to widen the lens and look at all the other factors that go into making that neurotransmitter and getting it into the right place. Let's take serotonin, for example. When we eat a meal that contains protein, that protein is made up of multiple amino acids, like the beads on a necklace. Each bead has a different name. One of them might be tryptophan. We need to consume that protein, break it down in the digestive tract, making sure that we have enough stomach acid, enough protein digesting enzymes, be able to absorb that tryptophan, that amino acid, into the bloodstream, be able to transport that amino acid through our blood vessels, past the blood-brain barrier into the brain, and then be able to convert that tryptophan into serotonin. We can have issues any step along the way. For example, with tryptophan converting into serotonin, we need nutrients like B2, B3, B6, magnesium, iron, zinc, and vitamin C. So if someone is deficient in any one of those nutrients, they're not going to have a proper conversion, and they're not going to be able to make serotonin. As mentioned, they also need to have good digestion, and even further upstream, they need to be making sure that they're consuming enough protein on a daily basis. This is functional nutrition.